everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rachel and this is Ruthie Roo, and I'm glad to have you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to be doing a product review on this Biore Free Your Pores Baking Soda new product. I actually just got it last week. And I hauled it. I got it about a week and a half now. A week and a half ago now. And I hauled it in a video that I had posted last week, and I said that I was very excited to try it out, see how it was, see how it worked with my skin. I got the baking soda one. There are two. I got the baking soda one, and there is a charcoal one as well. The baking soda one says that it is great for combination skin, and the charcoal one said that it was better for more oily skin. So that's why I didn't get that one, just because I didn't want it to dry out my skin, since I have, I'd say, more combination skin. Basically, I have dry skin everywhere except my T-zone. So right here and then right here and a little bit on my chin, I tend to get a little bit oily there throughout the day. So that's why I wanted to try this. So as you can see, I've used a pretty decent amount of the product so far. This is 10 fluid ounces. I believe it was $5.99. I think the regular price is $6.99, and then there was a coupon on the product itself that was $1 off at Target. And basically what this says it does, it says, we all know that a clean face is important to help prevent breakouts, but sometimes it's just so much work. Very true. So what this does, it says it's specifically formulated for combination skin. Biore Baking Soda Cleansing Micellar Water delivers an all-in-one clean, refreshed face anytime, anywhere. It says it's a makeup remover and it dissolves even heavy makeup. It's a cleanser. It removes dirt and oil from pores, and it's a refresher that gently balances without over-drying. It says you just wet a cotton pad and wipe all over the face until skin is completely clean. To remove eye makeup, hold the pad over closed eyes for a few seconds and then just swipe away. No need for harsh rubbing. Use daily, morning, day, or night. No need to rinse. So I had very high hopes for this. Like I said in my haul video, I actually had seen that a YouTuber that I watch had received this in a PR package, and so that's actually what made me go out and buy it, because I just wanted to try it out. So I want to start off by saying that it definitely does what it says it's going to do. So I first started using this as an eye makeup remover, and it does, I could remove all of the makeup that's on my eyes, and it doesn't have any issues. I just held it there for a few seconds and then just kind of rubbed it away. It wasn't something that I needed to harsh rub or anything like that. So it definitely does what it's advertised to do. I also did try it on my face a couple of times, but we will get to why that was a problem. So as far as eye makeup remover, yes, 10 out of 10, this is definitely something that I would use for eye makeup remover. The first time I used it on my face, it does also get all the product off. You don't have any issues with that. But I think it was either the second or third time that I used this. It was midday, probably about noon, so I had my makeup on for about 5 hours or so. I actually removed it with this, and I just use regular, cotton pads, just like it says, to remove it, eye makeup and face makeup. And I was like, I think I'm going to go ahead and do a video. So my thought was, I'll take my makeup off with this, and I'll put on my base, and then I'll film an eyeshadow tutorial. No. So I ended up putting on my foundation after I took off my makeup, and I noticed that in certain areas of my skin, it was starting to look very red and very patchy. And so I was just like, what is going on? Is it the foundation? Because I had put on my foundation, so I'm like, oh my god, is my skin having a bad reaction to this foundation? I need to get it off, so I get it off, and immediately, my entire face is just splotchy red. And I've used that foundation before. I've used it multiple times before, and that's never happened to me. But this was what the culprit was. So I tried it one more time thinking, okay, maybe it's just that I had makeup on, maybe it was just too much for my face. So I tried it early in the morning one day. I had taken off all of my makeup the night before, and this was just what I was going to use to kind of clean all of the oils out of my skin that had, developed overnight from sleeping. And the exact same thing happened. And that was with no product on my face. I didn't put foundation on. I just kind of cleaned my face and waited, and the exact same thing happened. So I do not consider myself to have incredibly sensitive skin. I definitely don't think that I've had like a reaction like this before to several products. I can't pinpoint a time that I've had a reaction like this ever. So here's my overall thoughts. In conclusion, this would be great if I'm just using it as a makeup remover, an eye makeup remover, not a face makeup remover. But that's not what it's advertised as. It's advertised as a micellar water that is supposed to be able to take off every amount of makeup that's on your face and eyes. So I personally would not repurchase this again. I'm going to continue using it just on my eyes because I still have so much left that's not worth it for me to just throw it away. Nothing bad happened to my eyes, thankfully. But, if something would happen moving forward, I definitely wouldn't continue using it at that point. But so far, nothing bad with the eyes. So that's just me. Like I said, I don't have incredibly sensitive skin. I use like new face masks and new face products, new makeup wipes. I use name brand and non-name brand makeup wipes. So I don't have sensitive skin. So I'm not really sure why my skin reacted to this way, but it's definitely not something that I feel comfortable moving forward on a daily basis. So that's just my 2 cents though. If you have had a different experience with this, or if you absolutely love it, share that in the comments below. And I hope that this product works out better for some of you if you've already purchased it. It just wasn't for me, unfortunately. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. Again, be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with all of my new videos, and I will see you guys next time.